Alin yun? Oh. Oh yeah, can somebody help Jilana? Jilana can. Oh no, she.
You wear your socks? Yeah. Yes, wear socks.
Oh wow. Oh, can you hold? Hawakan. You hold her.
No?
Exercise, Julene, go. Are you excited with your drawing? Oh.
I'm excited for school.
But you have to share that with your sister, right? Really?
No, Jake. Up and on. Wait. When you were looking, she got a goal. Oh, okay. No, it wasn't. Yeah, we got turned off now. Good. Oh no, can I use the word for cheating? That's not her name.
It's okay, Julene. It's fine.
She will.
We're not like Julene exercise. You can go around. It's okay. You practice, Jelana. Jade, can you park your the hoverboard, please? And charge it or what? Do you guys like that one? There's a space in the garage. And your. Oh wow, Julene, you can hold her now. You want only Ate Dong? Yay! It's okay. Okay, yeah, practice. She can do that. Na hindi pa nang bago pa lang. It's okay. It's okay. Bago pa lang naman eh. It's fine. It's fine.
Hey, Julian, how many pages did you read? How many pages did you read? Straight legs. 5. Actually, I read 6.
Dapat ba pa sa harap ka dapat? Dapat sa harap. Dapat yung ano niya kaya, kilikili niya kaya. Di ba yung paharap mo dapat na, yeah. Like that, like that.
Whoa! Don't put your legs wide, okay? If you do it wide, you will not.
It's okay, she can practice. Jilana, go practice. Baka yung kilikili niya kaya, dyan. Yung kilikili, yan. There you go, yeah, there you go. Perfect. No, kasi baka maputol yung kamay mo ganyan. Sa kilikili lang.
Exercise? Should I move this?
Yeah. Please, thank you. Okay, no, we're gonna turn, yeah, okay, hold on, Jelana, you wait. It's okay, you're making it. You're good. That's a good practice. You're gonna be good soon. Good job. Me? Oh, wow. Good job. That's a good practice. Julene, can you pick it up, that anak?